Guys, I found an old Shimano 11T pulley. This is the all original Shimano plastic pulley. This came from my old Shimano Jory M615. I replaced it with the 11T aluminum seal bearing. It's spinning fast, but it's kind of noisy. There you go. Seal bearings. So this one is quite old, bushing type, and it's already broken, or we cannot use this anymore. So I just want to do a little experiment once again. Maybe gonna try and replace the bushing type. This is the bushings, and we have the cone over here. I'm planning to replace it with seal bearing. This bushing, this Shimano bushing over here, fits well on this seal bearing. There you go. So you can see it fits well. And the cup, where's the cup? The cup over here, this one also fits well. So it should work. Technically it should work, but my challenge for this one is drilling over here. I measured this one. It is at about 15.9 or 16 mil, and I don't have a drill bit big enough. This is only 9.9 or 10 millimeters, so I'm not sure if I can make a perfect fit over here, but I think we can remove this metal cone or crown, whatever you want to call this. I think just by pushing it. Okay, there you go. So we can remove this one. There, it's done. It's removed, and it's broken. So I think if I drill too much, I might indeed damage the hole. I don't have any other plastic to do this kind of thing or experiment. So anyway, I'm gonna try drill this and make this seal bearing fit or work over here. So this is at how many? 10.6. So we need 16. This one, the outer is 16, 15.9 or 16 mil, and then the inner is 7.8, or I think 8 millimeters. And then for the thickness, it is at 5.1 or 5 mil. Okay, so 8 by 16 by 5. 8, 16, 5 is the total, or the size dimension of the seal bearings. Okay, I'm not sure if this one will work. Maybe I need to look for another what you call this, 11T 11T pulley, plastic pulley. If this one won't work, then I'm gonna look for another one, the one that is much better. Just not sure if this one will fit properly, but let's go ahead. I think this is okay. So I'm gonna try to make a hole big enough, but this one will take some time. Well, it's much bigger now, but definitely will take some time. So give me a few hours to work on this, and I'll be back. It's almost there. I just need a little more time to drill on this one, and see if this will fit. It will be much easier if I have a 15 mil drill bit, so I just needed a little more time. There's a lot of dirt on the floor now, and it's getting late. Still using the old Ryobi. This is just 210 watts, so it won't hurt you. Even though you touch this one here. See? Slow power, or low power, I'm sorry. So I'm gonna continue doing this and see if I can indeed fit this one. But if I have a 15 mil drill bit, then it will only take a few seconds or maybe a few minutes to drill this perfectly. As you can see, the shape or the inner diameter is not really perfect circle, but just want to try this out. If this one fails, then I think I have another bearing that we can use. So be back in a minute or an hour. So after an hour, I think I made a mess over here, and I can now fit this on the hole, but it is not perfectly centered because I don't have the 15 mil drill bit. If I have a 15 mil drill bit, then it will be much easier. So I'm gonna just try show to you guys what happened. This is complete failure. It won't work if it's not centered. If the hole is not centered perfectly, then forget about doing this. 1 second. There you go. It fits, but as you can see, there's a lot of gap on the left and on the right. So I can also fit this one over here. It will spin, but not really smooth enough. I think I can install this over here, so I'm gonna give it a shot. Give me a second to install this. Again, this is complete failure. Don't be like me. Alright, so I removed the aluminum and I'm gonna try and install this epic failure. This one is already broken when I started the video. So, are you? If you have 15 mil drill bit, it will be much easier and you can center it without any problems. This one is not centered, so it will be quite funny if you try spinning them. Right? Wait, it's too tight. There you go. Doesn't spin well because it's not really centered. So I will consider this one as a failure, experiment number 1, and didn't work. I found other videos on YouTube. They were like successful on modifying the plastic Shimano 11T. They converted it to seal type bearings. So that's all for now. I'm gonna try it next time if I can find a drill bit with 15 mil. Okay, see you guys next time. I'm out. Failure.